Dear friends, now we see the topic is giving instructions. A lesson in English for you people. This lesson also important for us to learn, to know that as we have to handle in good way in the examination. As mostly we can get 1 mark questions in the examination of mid-semester 1. And of course, we may get short answer questions, 3 marks questions in end examination as well in mid semester 1 examination also, dear friends. So it is important for us to learn and to get marks, dear friends, to get best score in the examinations. Dear friends, now we can see what is giving instructions, dear friends. What it is called? The instructions. Instructions are statements that tell someone what to do, how to do something, what steps to follow. That is, we give instructions in our daily life, or at school, or at workplace, or while we use of machines and while following the rules. After seeing the examples, we can get some idea. For example, here it is given, open your book. This is also an instruction by the teacher. Listen carefully. This is also an instruction by the teacher. Friends, write your name on the answer sheet by the teachers or invigilators. Turn left at the next junction, instruction by the stranger while we go for a particular destination or address. Press this button to start the machine, as we can use in the labs, workshops. Read the passage and answer the questions, as we can use in reading comprehension like so. These are all called nothing but giving instructions, dear friends. Why do we give instructions? We give instructions to explain how to do something, tell someone what they should do, give directions, explain procedures, maintain safety, help people complete a task correctly. Example, it is given, a teacher may say in the classroom, open your textbook, read the passage carefully and answer the questions. These are instructions because the teacher is telling the students what to do next. So it happens like in reading comprehension, dear friends, as we practiced. Next, giving instructions step by step, where there are several steps. We can use words such as first, next, then, after that, finally. Like as we can use while we are instructing to others, we can use like these words, then they can understand very easily and follow our instructions, dear friends. Example, how to write an examination, as we see here. First, read all the instructions carefully. Next, write your name and register number, I mean your PIN. Then read the instructions, questions, read the questions carefully. After that, answer the questions carefully. Finally, check your answers before submitting the paper to your invigilator. This makes the instructions clear and easy to follow, dear friends. And we can use please while as we are instructing to others. When we use please to make instructions more polite, not like an order. Without please, we see how it is. Open the door. Sit down. Wait here. How they are looking? They are looking like an order, no? But we can use our polite words with please to make others comfortable than order. Like, please open the door. Please sit down. Please wait here. So, likely if we use that is good instruction, dear friends, to make others understand well quickly. That is. Next, we see negative instructions. When we want to tell someone not to do something, like we can use don't talk in the classroom while the pupil makes noise, not hearing the class well. At that time we can use don't talk in the classroom. Don't touch the machine, as we can use this instruction in the labs, in the workshops. Don't open the door. We can use like these instructions for negative mode. And another one, don't make noise. Don't use your mobile phone during the examination. Likely. And instructions using you should. You should, as we can use for advices and of course for recommendations, as we can use you should. We see examples. You should read the instructions carefully. You should arrive 10 minutes early. You should check your answers. You should keep your classroom clean. So these are all advices, recommendations, dear friends. Next we see instructions using must. Must is very important and compulsory instruction. Likely as we can use for examples, you must wear your identity card while you are attending your class, college. You must follow the examination rules. You must submit the assignment on time. You must switch off your mobile phone in the college. So, these are all the things, nothing but instructions as we can follow. And giving instructions, directions, giving directions. Where to go, how to reach a place, for which we can use go straight, turn left, turn right, cross the road, take the second left, go past the bank, the school is on your right. Likely as we can instruct, we can direct the individual to go to the place, particular place. Example, go straight for about 200 meters, then turn left at the traffic lights, walk past the bank, the school is on your right. So likely as we can direct to the strangers like that who can ask the address, particular address, dear friends. Now we can see instructions in the classroom as we are practicing daily. They are open your books, close your notebooks, listen carefully, repeat after me, read the passage aloud, underline the important words, work in pairs, discuss the questions with your partner, write the answers in your notebook, submit your assignment tomorrow. These are all instructions likely. Instructions for an examination. Read all the questions carefully, answer the questions, write clearly and neatly. Do not use a pencil for writing the answers. Do not write anything outside the space provided. Check your answers before submitting the answer sheet. And polite ways of giving instructions, like direct instruction: give me your notebook. This looks like a harder one to hear. Here you can see, please give me your notebook. This is polite way. This is harder way, like that. We can understand. More polite. Could you please give me your notebook? This looks like more polite, like that. Direct, polite, more polite, as we can. And other useful expressions like people make sure that, please remember to, could you please, would you mind, I would like you to, likely, as we can use. Examples: please make sure that you have completed the assignment. Please remember to bring your textbook tomorrow. Could you please close the window? Likely, as we can. And important words for giving instructions, expression, hear and use. First, beginning of a procedure. Next, following the step, then another step, after that later step, finally last step. Please, polite instruction, negative instruction, must, compulsory instruction, should, advise, recommendation, carefully, shows how to perform an action, likely. Examples: giving instructions for making tea. How we can make a tea? First, boil the water. Next, add tea powder. Then add milk and sugar. After that, boil the tea for a few minutes. Finally, strain the tea and serve it hot. This is an example of giving instructions in sequence, dear friends. And practice exercise, dash your book, answers readily available here, just to practice. And change into instructions, you have to open the door. Open the door, likely you practice, dear friends. You pause the video and practice. Now we can see a few questions and answers, as there is a chance to you may get in the examination. What is meant by giving instructions? Giving instructions means telling someone what to do and how to do something in a clear and simple way. Example: open your book, read the passage carefully, write the answers in your notebook. Why do we give instructions? We give instructions to guide, direct, advise, or tell someone how to perform an action or complete a task. Like how to operate a machine, how to reach a place, how to prepare a dish, how to complete an examination. What kind of sentences are commonly used while giving instructions? Like sit down, listen carefully, turn left, switch off the fan, write your name, etc. How can we give instructions politely? We can use politely with the help of please, kindly, would you, and could you, like that. In examples: please open the window, kindly wait for a few minutes, could you please sit here, please follow the instructions carefully. How do we give instructions in a sentence? Like we can use sequencing words such as first, next, then, after that, finally. If we practice well, then we can understand how to use that. First, switch on the computer. Next, open the browser. Then enter the password. After that, open the required website. Finally, log out your account. Likely, as we can use to practice. How do we give negative instructions? Like do not, don't. Do not touch the machine. Don't open the door. Do not waste water. Don't make noise. What words can be used to make instructions clear, like as we discussed, first, next, then after, finally, please, kindly, don't. If we go for more practice, then we can understand how it is. Important examination questions like you may get in the examinations likely. Give instructions to students before an examination. Enter the examination hall quietly. Take your assigned seat. Keep your hall ticket on the desk. Read the question paper carefully. Write your register number correctly. Answer all the questions as instructed. Do not use unfair means. Submit your answer sheet before leaving the hall. Another one, in public library. Enter the library quietly. Keep your mobile phone on silent mode. Do not disturb other readers. Handle the books carefully. Do not tear or damage the pages. Return the books on time. Keep the books in their proper places. And giving instructions persons to a person who wants to reach railway station. This question has it was taken place many times in the examination, dear friends. So this is important to learn how to write. The instructions: go straight for about 1 kilometer, turn left at the traffic lights, continue along the main road, cross the bridge, take the second right. You will see the railway station on your left. And give instructions for planting a tree. Select a suitable place, dig a small pit, place the plant carefully in the pit, cover the roots with soil, press the soil gently, water the plant properly, protect the plant with a fence. Giving instructions for making tea, as we already as I read this one, just to go through. And these are all the practice questions for you to practice of your own. What is meant by giving instructions? Why are instructions important? What type of sentences are generally used to give instructions? How can we make instructions polite? How do we give negative instructions? Write 5 instructions to maintain cleanliness in your classroom. Give instructions to a student before entering an examination hall. Give instructions for using an ATM. Give instructions for operating a computer. Give instructions to a visitor to reach your college. Give 5 instructions to maintain discipline in the classroom. Give instructions for preparing a cup of tea. Give instructions for planting a tree. Give instructions for using public library. Write instructions to be followed during fire emergency, etc. So that if you understand the content, as you can easily handle in the examination and understand the content, dear friends. So this is the thing just I thought to give you as you make in the examination well, so that utilize it properly and get good marks and of course get content, dear friends. Thank you and best of luck.